Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Miss Howell's class. Good morning, Miss Stewart's class. Good morning, Mrs. Marenshaw, Mrs. Bush's class. It's so nice to see you again. More equations. I know you didn't think it was possible, but we have more. We are going to be creating our own equations today, and let me show you what it looks like. Today, we're going to be working with page 91 in your student journal, and just like the other times, you're going to need some crayons to help write some numbers. And I see a pink fish on page 91. I see some directions. I'm going to write my name at the top. You can do that. And we're going to write an equation to match each picture, just like we did last time with the bees and the ladybugs. It's going to look like how many do we start with and how many more are added. So I see 1, 2, 3 birds. Let me get my pen tool so I can label it 3. I prefer black. And how many are flying in? 2. 3 plus 2 equals, what strategy should I use? I can count them all, I can count on, or I can use a number line. Let's count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the answer. And I would read it like 3 plus 2 equals 5. What do you see in box B? I see a basket of eggs. Let's count how many eggs are in the basket first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count them carefully. If you don't count those carefully, your answer is going to be wrong. Okay, let's see how many are out of the basket. I'm going to add 2 more. So now my equation says 5 plus 2 equals, let's get out the number line. And if you don't have a number line, you can make one. Let's do, it's a little bit easier on this side. We're going to start with 5 and we're going to jump 2 times. How do I know that? Because the equation told me. It said start at 5 and add 2 more. 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 more is going to equal 7. All right, I see frogs. I see 2 frogs on a lily pad. And how many more do you see jumping over? I see 2. 2 more jumping over. Let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs all together. And if I read it like in our equation, it sounds like 2 plus 2 equals 4. Cupcakes are in box D. I see strawberry and chocolate cupcakes. But I wonder how many we have all together. Let's figure it out. I see 3 strawberry cupcakes. How many chocolate cupcakes do you see? I see 3. How many cupcakes do I have all together? Let's count on. 3 in my brain, 3 on my fingers. Let's figure it out. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cupcakes in total. That equation sounds like 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, we went from unhealthy to healthy. We've got a bowl of fruit. We've got oranges and apples. It doesn't matter which one you count first. I'm going to count the oranges first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, those are kind of bunched up, so count carefully. Otherwise, you're going to get the wrong answer. And as long as you try, that's okay. But in math, we're always going to try and get the right answer. How many apples do you see? I see 1, 2, 3 red apples. All right. I'm going to count on again. I'm going to put 6 in my brain and 3 on my fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. And the way I can check it is I can count all the fruit together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whenever I count, I'm touching each thing that I count and I'm moving on to the next one. I see 6 plus 3 does equal 9. Great job, everybody. Tomorrow, we're going to be practicing some math facts. So you're going to see addition equations, and I'm going to give you some strategies. Let's check in tomorrow and see what it looks like.